Jamaica's top selector booked for Britain, and that means taking the vaccine. Boom Boom says he isn't coming home until government eases COVID restrictions.
Barney! You talk about DJ Boom Boom. You never know. You talk about Ariel, the core dancer. Stop it!
I never take the vaccine, man. I not tell nobody to take the vaccine, you know, but me have to take the vaccine.
You're going to take the vaccine?
Yes.
Excuse me, no pagans. Nah, seek validation. No time!
These days, selectors without audiences to play for.
Yeah, if you tell her the truth, I miss that. My life different. My life is not a mix-up life. My life is a just dancehall, bus artist, bus rhythm, help people. So my life still. My life is not a mix-up life where you go see woman and ride cross on the line and say, yo, that girl and the girl. No, you get black.
Boom Boom supplementing his virtual parties with a juggling dropped early in the year. BMW driving away with Spice, Ding Dong, Intense, Skillibang. Some others with lesser profiles.
Some people, I reach out to them, you know what I mean, and I figure more likely say them not feel the beat.
People like who?
I reach out to Gully God, I reach out to Idona, you know what I mean, I reach out to Vibes Cartel, I reach out to Alkaline.
Why wouldn't they be on Boom Boom's rhythm?
Well, you don't know, you have some artists, you know, a couple of them don't really like a beat, and a couple of them like a beat, so I figure more likely when I drop the next beat, because them say, the next one, then with Vice.
Boom Boom singing the COVID blues, the pandemic, a break on traveling, events not happening, and hard to get people excited about new projects. But there are always ways to reach out.
Remember, you have only a place open up in America. So I say, I'm ready to play in nightclub them, and I have my live, you know what I mean, and a couple of my DJ them, we play all the little round robin them, and I play the rhythm same way.
What's keeping it going?
You have only a DJ, we still do the thing inside, on the live, on Instagram, and the people them still tune in. The thing still happen, artist still a boss, song still a boss, rhythm
but it's
still a
not
boss.
the same. You put on a live and some people tune in and they, you know, they'll drop a comment, but it's not the same.
It will never be the same, because outside they have a big impact. You know what I mean? When we're there inside, we just look on the phone. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, we still have to do what we have to do.
So when you see the business getting back on its feet again?
Tell you the truth now, Mr. Miller, I look for next year them time, you know. It's rough. Enough of we not no income, while enough of we still have an income. That's why you see we come together, me and my brother Harry. Money what we make off our life, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. We buy food, and more time we give her money in a cash. So I say, because you know it's wicked for the people them outside.
So there's a lot of pressure on people who some people think have the money to help out in tough times.
Well, enough of them not help out, enough of them not doing nothing. While enough of them are doing nobody don't know. In a time like this, when you have the good things, you have to bring it to the front foot, make the people them see say you have to do things. You see it? Enough of them can do, while them not doing.
Enough for the big names.
Enough for the big name.
Producers, DJs,
enough,
selectors.
Yes, man, enough of them, man. Them not doing nothing, man.
How you know they're not doing anything?
Because if them not do something, we see it on social media. So I say, I not see nobody talk about that man that do care package to the community there. That man there, not that man there. It's a handful of people I say I do it from last year till now. And I can't call name. Bounty Foundation, World Team, DJ Lava El Porto, Ramesh. More time when we walk and I give her the bag, then the amount of thanks that people give it.
World Team, care package. You don't know the money will pull up or make up for the life. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, after Monday, Tuesday, boom Sunday. Yeah, you don't know.
And what year when we are 170,000 we give it. Like 3,000 at the envelope, 5,000, 10,000. And the amount of thanks people tell me. So I say, I remember so we don't reach out to nobody and make no sponsor, you know. You see it? Yeah, the promotion money we get off our Uptown Mondays live and our Boom Sundays live and our Bossy Tuesday live. And it we use.
Yo, check out! Hey, hold on, boy! Hold on, boy! Jesus! Hey!
The US and the UK. Boom Boom misses those gigs. Hasn't travelled in a year.
I'm sit down right here, so you know, only be like, no, I'm go through, you know. I mean, I go through right now, you know, Mr. Miller. You see it? A whole heap of money, we have to refund back. My fans them all over the world want to see me and can't see me. I just have to hold it and know it's a part of life, you see? God no give a man more than when he can bear, you see?
Because, in all honesty, you used to clean up in the good old days.
Yeah. Every weekend I fly out.
Everybody wanted to hear Boom Boom at the parties abroad because it was like being back in Jamaica.
True, for real. Yeah, but Mr. Miller, watch what I go on now. Them say England I want me 21st of June, you know. You see it? And I have around 16 show in England right now, you know. Alright, that's how as me talk to him, I just pray to Father God to make that woman behave herself, you know. And nobody make England lock down. I just want to do my concert then, Mr. Miller.
And that's going to mean that you have to get that coronavirus shot before you go because they're not letting you in otherwise.
So that's why I tell you earlier on, so I have to take the vaccine, but I not tell nobody to take the vaccine because them people love interpret things and turn on things and splice up things. They never hear me now on all YouTube thing. Boom, boom, so I never take vaccine. And no, me I take the vaccine, but I not tell you to take the vaccine.
And England is booked out. You're going up there and you're going to make some serious con in the UK.
16 show. And if Jamaica open up back for the summer, I not come back. I tell you right now, Mr. Miller, I'm not coming back till Jamaica open up.
Who is the one big name in Jamaica right now?
I'm prepared for you, you know. I'm prepared for that question, you know. Mr. Miller, I can't hide him glory. I skill your man right now.
Yes, sir, and easy entrance, them I read all about skilling.
All the songs making sense?
The last couple songs them I released, I see the people them start bashing.
Saying what?
Say, nursery rhyme, him need to do better.
You agree?
Yes, but right now, him are the man.
What makes him the man?
Because him have some song we are play all over the world right now. And everybody we are watch know a song named Crocodile Tea. Whoa.
Yo, first thing on a ball like them full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Is it?
Big song. And my song, Ram Up. Oh my God. But him release couple songs and the people them kinda, you know, so him for change him flow. Mulan tell him, say yo brother, couple of your song them sound alike.
Is that because he's putting out so many songs right now?
Yeah. Too much song.
Wasn't Cartel putting out a whole ton load of songs too?
No, Cartel will always be Cartel, you know. Cartel will always be Cartel. You see it? Alright. Cartel in a class by himself. You have to say 40, like teacher. But here I reach skill, you know. Me feel like I reach skill, you know, Mr. Miller. You see me? Me feel like some of the long time song them what him do, the producer them just start release them now.
Some problems in the business, a case of the same old story.
The artist and now vice to the producer there. The producer then now vice to the artist there.
I thought those days were over.
No man, it's not over man, it's wicked and now man.
Why?
Jealousy. Bad mind. Envy and grudge. Like we said earlier on. No juggling no day again. No for them young artists I know, you know, Mr. Miller. What the Jordan link me and say, boom, get two of them man for voice from rhythm. I'm reach out to them. And him say, no, them not voice to Jordan. Same thing with Frost. Same thing with the producer them have name. Couple of the youth them not voice to them. Them not nobody there around them where I tell them the right thing. And it's like them youth and I really love the music. Them youth are just there in the music like for just make a quick money. And just there in the music and you say, yo, me have 2 hit songs, me I get 2 dub plate work and I hit that.
Because they're on top right now, they're the big names.
For all long. No for them where you see we are going right now, them the last a year.
And it's about that time. Boom Boom's top 5 tough tunes.
Number 5, Nation Boss.
Too big, my lad, then we take you for a fool.
Number 4, you don't know you have a Yaksta.
Acres over markets. Link my wife when me want some.
Number 3, you have Tentic, Roll Deep.
Roll deep for me dog, roll deep.
Number 2, you see? I should say number 4, Gully God, Not Perfect.
Wish me coulda tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not. It's me, said one from the block.
Number 1, Blow Tick, Ding Dong, BMW Rhythm. You see it? Boom.
How much can me get in at the beamer?
Boom Boom not budging before begging Andrew for even a 1-month reprieve from COVID restrictions over the summer.
Please, Mr. Prime Minister.
A month would help?
What you mean, man? So the last time I go back outside for 4 weeks. You know, see the big impact. Just give back even 4 weeks outside, man. Simple. Give a piece of summer, man. And then you just do what you do again.
Man a star, man a star, man a star, man a star, man a star. When me do road over million at the car, big belly berry off the day in the park.